Alright guys, so we just poured the pineapple tart sour ale kit that we made. It's been a process of making it. The video for the brew day is up on YouTube, and you can go to either our YouTube channel or our Instagram TV channel to find that. And we're gonna go ahead and try it. Okay, so we're here. We got beer. Here, wait, you gotta get that logo facing out.
Oh, I'm doing it wrong?
Yeah, we're professionals now. Okay. So, we've been told that this is super, super sour. So we're gonna go for it. It's supposed to be pineapple. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm a little scared.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Okay, so you can smell the pineapple. I'd say that, honestly, so when we were brewing this, I think it had a stronger pineapple smell when we were brewing it.
Like, I wasn't part of that.
You weren't part of it, though. Yeah, she wasn't there, so. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. It's pretty sour.
It's getting sour, more sour. My cheeks are hurting a little bit. All right,
Here, let's get a close up on Paula's reaction. Nope, it's better now. Nope, does it hit you after?
It hits after. Actually, though, I felt like the first taste was way more sour, and now it's. I'm gonna try another one because after all, we are working, right?
Yeah. So let's go over the stats on this here beer. The end cap of the box, like always, is going to give you all your information. So the original gravity is going to be 1.051 to 1.055. Nice lower ABV, so you can drink more of this sour creation. 4.1 to 4.6. And then IBUs is 34 to 38, which is probably pretty low because this does not taste bitter.
Not at all.
So we're gonna go through the kit here in just a minute. So if you hang out, you'll see that. But there's not much hops in this at all, so that makes sense why it wouldn't be like very bitter.
No, but it's full of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a big fan of sour. In fact, when we go out, I don't order sour.
This is the first sour that I've ever had. Ever.
In your life?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm not. So they hired.
You like beer.
They hired you. What you don't know is, like, before I started working here, I really didn't drink much at all.
Oh, yeah, that'll happen.
Yeah, that happens here. And then once I started working here, I was like, oh, this is actually really cool. Like, there's a lot more like diversity to beer and wine and everything than you think that there actually is. Like, before I was just like, oh, the different brands are the different types of beer.
Okay.
Like, that literally was what I thought. But now, like, I want to try everything, and I've started trying more things, so it's cool. Let's go through the kit.
What can I do to help besides sit here and drink?
You can hold things.
Okay, I'll hold things.
So, Paula's, her next career is a hand model.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, so this is going to be the inside of the kit. Paula, if you want to hold this for a minute.
I'm going to be like, I'm going to do it like this.
Is it? Oh, no, it's Vanna. It's Vanna White.
Vanna White.
But if you Paula, okay.
I know. That's the job.
Well, you're much prettier than her.
Oh.
All right. So we got golden DME here, and
So it's 3 pounds.
3 pounds of golden DME. Where are we gonna set everything? Is the question mark. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's see. We got crushed Pilsen, 12 ounces of that, and crushed Carapils, which is 4 ounces of that. So overall, a pound.
Light color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The light color of that. I'll grab my notes here real quick because I wanted to say something about that. Just that Carapils, so it takes its name from the words caramel and Pilsner. And the temperature and the way it's dried results in like a slightly nutty flavor, is what they said. Did you taste any? I don't know.
No, but I'm willing to try it again.
Yeah, I know. Now that we know.
No.
I don't
It's
think.
totally pineapple.
Yeah, I don't think any of that came through. To me, what it tastes like is like, if someone didn't tell me what this was, and I tried it, a really sour lemonade. I don't even know if I'd taste alcohol in it.
No, it's not. No, it's
You
definitely,
don't-
it's fruity,
You
citrusy.
you don't even get any of the like beer flavor until like the aftertaste, I think. At least for me.
But I get it on the smell,
mm-hmm.
for sure.
Yeah, that's true. All right, back to the kit.
All right.
We've got lactose, so that helps improve mouthfeel, right? That's what you told me.
Yep.
And lactose is what's in some of the like milkshake IPAs that have become really popular.
Absolutely. Holy moly.
Yeah.
Did you guys use this whole thing?
Yep. Whole thing.
Wow.
So this is the Brewer's Best Pineapple Fruit Kicker. Nick's over here. He's chilling, but
And drinking a beer.
yeah, he's drinking a beer too. He doesn't have the fancy glasses, but he dared me when we were doing brew day. He dared me to just try like a little lick of this, and I did, and I was really really nervous how it was gonna be, and it was actually pretty good. Like it was just
Was it
very
like totally in your face?
It's honestly, I don't think it was any more sour than the actual beer.
Yeah, but think about
I don't
this.
know
Like,
how
this
it
is
could be.
diluted by 6 gallons.
I know.
This is like
I know, maybe I was just
All
having a
right.
different day, but
okay.
it wasn't as bad as I was expecting it to be. Alright, what's
have
next? Alright, we got the Azaka hops, which I can't remember. Let's see. So, we also have,
Another hop in there. What is it?
yeah, the German Hallertau Blanc.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we added the German Hallertau Blanc.
Yeah, you did first.
Yeah, we added it first. So if you look at the instructions here.
So you boiled 30 minutes. You added 1 ounce of Hallertau Blanc. Boiled 15. 1 ounce of Azaka. Boil 15. Ready to go.
Yeah. So, and we only had it boil over just slightly once. So I felt like that was a win there. Okay, next is the Philly sour yeast. So this is a new type of yeast that we have. So what's the sour yeast? Like, what is the difference between just a normal yeast and a sour
Different
yeast?
strain.
Just a different strain?
I mean, you look out there, we have, 70 different beer yeasts?
Yeah.
Different strain.
Huh. Yeah, and you were saying that we have, like, a big yeast selection compared to a lot of places.
We do, because we get our yeast from multiple distributors. So a lot of places just do one distributor, one line of yeast. So you're going to have, we have wine yeast, we have cider yeast, we have beer yeast, we have the sours now. What's sake? We even have sake.
Yeah. Which, so fun story. So I was actually born in Japan because I'm a military brat. So, one time when I went to school, I did a project about sake, right? And it was because, like, you had to do a project about something that was important to you, so I chose to do it about Japan. Well, my mom had, like, this old sake bottle, right, that was, like, in our cabinet, so I just took it as, like, a prop. And I get to my locker, and my backpack is, like, sopping wet, and I'm like, what is this? And it's, like, smells gross, and I had a banana in there for my lunch. It was just, like, really, really bad, right? And I pick up the bottle, and it still had sake from when I was, like, it must have been years ago, like, at least 10 years.
You took booze to school?
Yeah, I took booze to school. I didn't know. I thought it was just the bottle. I straight up just thought it was the bottle. And because I was, like, a good kid, like, that always got good, like, no one even cared. I was telling everyone.
You smelled like alcohol all day long?
I was just telling everyone. Yeah, it was a good time for my my world history class, so, yeah.
Oh, wow.
The more you know.
Oh, that's cracking me up.
Yeah, it was good. My backpack was horrible. Alright, so there's the grain bag. Muslin grain bag.
This is a different additive, really.
The yeast nutrient?
Yeah, not included in most beer kits, but according to this, it's used right there at the end of your boil.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's because the yeast is going to need that in order to keep working.
Yeah, because so we boiled it, then we threw this in there. We gave it a good stir around, and then we put the wort chiller in there to cool it down. So.
What do you think of the wort chiller?
I think that the wort chiller. Okay, so I'm brand new to brewing. I have brewed 3 times now, like been part of it, not actually done it myself. And well, the last one I did myself, but so I've done it 3 times now, and one of the times we didn't have a wort chiller, and it was so much slower. Like it was just insane.
It's incredibly different.
So slow, and so I would highly recommend the wort chiller.
Christmas gift for the brewer.
Yeah, Christmas gift. So we're gonna be putting out our Christmas guides pretty soon, and Paula has an idea to do the gift baskets. So maybe we'll do a live on that.
That'd be fun.
And go through what we've got in store.
All right, we can do that. Can we drink during that too?
Yeah, someone's laughing at me bringing alcohol to school. I'm sure. So the last thing in the kit are the priming sugar and 60 of the Brewer's Best crown caps, and that of course will be used, if you're bottling, and then if you're kegging, give them to a friend for a Christmas gift.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then we've got that. So I don't know. And this is a brand new kit. We've had it 1 month?
A month or 2, yeah.
Okay. And then did you check on the price of it? I didn't.
I believe. I'm not sure if I want to say a price that I don't know, but
well, go to homebrewOhio.com.
Yeah, go to homebrewOhio.com. It's economical for sure. It's one of the cheaper kits. But I'll turn the camera back around here.
Okay.
But we hope that you guys have enjoyed our weekly happy hour. I know that Paula and I have really been enjoying
I'm
them.
digging this.
It's really fun. Like about 10:30, she starts creeping over. Like, are you ready? You have the drinks poured.
Are the glasses ready? We gotta figure out how to get a mimosa involved in this too.
I like it. Yeah. I actually had never had a mimosa till we went to. Right before Cedar Point, my friend decided that was the time we were going to try mimosas. So I'll just leave that story at that. But, Mom, if you're watching, why'd you let me bring alcohol to school?
And cheers, Mom.
Cheers.